हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम सुनील रंजन है और मैं इंग्लिश टीचर हूँ। अभी मैं आपके लिए जो कहानी है रैट ट्रैप मतलब चूहेदानी, जो फ्लेमिंगो पुस्तक में है, उसके क्वेश्चन के साथ उनके आंसर्स मैं लेकर आया हूँ। तो पहला सेक्शन है थिंक एज यू रीड एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज From where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? इसका अर्थ है कि चूहेदानी बेचने वाले को कहाँ से यह विचार आया कि यह दुनिया भी एक चूहेदानी है। तो इसका आंसर है One day the peddler was thinking about his rat traps. Suddenly an idea came to him that the whole world was a big rat trap with its lands, seas, cities and villages. The world offered riches and joys, shelter and food as baits in the same manner as a rat trap offered cheese and pork. As soon as someone touched the bait, he found himself caught in the trap. अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन है Why was he amused by this idea? मतलब यह विचार उसे दिलचस्प क्यों लगा। और इसका आंसर है The poor peddler believed that like the rat trap, the world too was a big rat trap around which people ran to get something. Like the bait inside the rat trap that attracted rats, people also ran around greedily to get something. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है Did the peddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter? इसका अर्थ है कि चूहेदानी बेचने वाले ने क्या वैसी ही मेहमान नवाजी की अपेक्षा की थी उस क्रॉफ्टर से, मतलब मवेशी पालने वाले से। तो इसका आंसर है No, the poor peddler did not expect such a kind hospitality from the crofter because usually people did not behave so well with him. They were not so friendly and welcoming like the crofter. अब फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है Why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? मतलब जो चूहेदानी बेचने वाला था उसके साथ बात करने में उस मवेशी पालने वाले को क्यों इतना बात करने का या दोस्ती का हाथ बढ़ाने का दिल किया। तो इसका आंसर है The crofter was an old man without wife and children. He was living a dull life alone with no one around to talk to him or give him company. He welcomed the peddler warmly and treated him like a guest. He offered him food and shelter. As he had no one to talk with, he loved talking with the peddler. अब फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है Why did he show the 30 kroner to the peddler? मतलब उसने चूहेदानी बेचने वाले को 30 क्रॉनर क्यों दिखाएं। तो क्रॉनर स्वीडन का एक सिक्का है और यह कहानी स्वीडन की ही है। तो खैर इसका आंसर है The crofter felt very proud of his cow that gave him sufficient milk to support him. He told the peddler that he had got 30 kroner the previous month by selling milk. As he was very happy about his earning, he showed 30 kroner to the peddler. अब सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन है Did the peddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter? तो इसका अर्थ है क्या चूहेदानी बेचने वाले ने उस विश्वास का सम्मान किया जो उस मवेशी रखने वाले ने उसमें व्यक्त किया था। तो इसका आंसर है No, the peddler did not respect the confidence reposed in him. He cheated the crofter by first going away, but later coming back and stealing the 30 kroners from the window in his absence. But later he left the money in the rat trap at Edla's house. In the letter he requested her to return the amount to the crofter. Now seventh question. What made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap? मतलब किस बात ने चूहेदानी बेचने वाले को सोचने पर विवश किया कि वह खुद एक चूहेदानी में फंस गया था। तो इसका आंसर है After taking away the crofter's money, the peddler did not take the public highway, but took another route to remain safe. While walking far ahead, he found himself in a forest. The trunks and branches of trees in the forest appeared to him a big rat trap. Then he realized that he had fallen into a rat trap. Number 8. Why did the iron master speak kindly to the peddler and invite him home? मतलब कि आयरन मास्टर ने इतना प्यार से, इतना स्नेहपूर्वक चूहेदानी बेचने वाले से क्यों बात की और उसे क्यों अपने घर आमंत्रित किया? तो इसका आंसर है, एट द फर्नेस द आयरन मास्टर mistook the peddler as his old regimental comrade, Captain Von Stahl. The condition of the peddler was pathetic. He spoke kindly to him and invited him home. Now, question number 9. Why did the peddler decline the invitation? इसका अर्थ है कि चूहेदानी बेचने वाले ने उस निमंत्रण को क्यों अस्वीकार कर दिया? तो इसका आंसर है, the peddler knew that the iron master was mistaken, as the peddler was not his old regiment comrade, and since he had also stolen money, he was a bit frightened. So in order to remain unidentified, he declined the invitation. Number 10. What made the peddler accept Edla Wilmanson's invitation? तो इसका आंसर है, पहले इसका अर्थ बता दूं, किस बात के कारण उस चूहेदानी बेचने वाले ने एडला के निमंत्रण को स्वीकार कर लिया? तो इसका आंसर है, द पेडलर एक्सेप्टेड एडला's invitation because she talked to him very kindly and respectfully. She also assured him that there would be no harm to him and he would leave just as freely as he came. The peddler liked her friendly manner and accepted the invitation. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आप आगे देखेंगे तो आपको एक क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, व्हाट डाउट्स डिड एडला हैव अबाउट द पेडलर? मतलब एडला को चूहेदानी के बारे में क्या संदेह था? तो इसका आंसर है, when Edla went to the iron mill to invite the peddler, she noticed that he was frightened. She had doubts that he had stolen something or had escaped from some prison. His appearance and behavior were also strange. He did not talk and behave like an educated man, as her father had told about him. Now, next question is, when did the iron master realize his mistake? मतलब आयरन मास्टर जो उस आयरन वाले मिल का जो मालिक था, तो when did the iron master realize his mistake? तो उस आयरन मास्टर को अपनी गलती का एहसास कब हुआ? तो इसका आंसर है, the iron master realized his mistake the next day when the peddler turned up at breakfast. The valet had bathed the peddler, cut his hair, shaved him and given him clothes. The iron master realized that he had received the wrong person and had been cheated. In the reflection of the furnace the previous night, he had not clearly seen the peddler's face and thought he had seen his old friend. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what did the peddler say in his defense when it was clear that he was not the person the iron master had thought he was? मतलब चूहेदानी बेचने वाले ने अपने को बचाने के लिए क्या कहा जब यह बात स्पष्ट हो गई आयरन मास्टर को कि वह वो नहीं था जो वह उसे समझ रहा था? तो इसका आंसर है, the iron master came to know the reality about the peddler the next morning. In his defense, the peddler said that he did not want to cheat him. He came there only for shelter and sleep there that night. He had declined the iron master's invitation again and again. Next question is, why did Edla entertain the peddler even after she knew the truth about him? मतलब एडला ने उस चूहेदानी बेचने वाले का फिर भी बहुत सम्मान किया और जबकि वह सच्चाई जान गई थी उसके विषय में। तो इसका आंसर है Ella came to know about the peddler the next morning. Even after knowing about him, she treated him respectfully. She requested him to stay with them on Christmas Eve and enjoy. Instead of behaving differently, she treated him as a guest. Now, the next question is, why was Edla happy to see the gift left by the peddler? मतलब एडला को चूहेदानी बेचने वाले का जो उपहार जो मिला उसे देखकर खुशी क्यों हुई? तो इसका आंसर है When Edla opened the package of gift left by the peddler, she felt very happy. She found a small rat trap with 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes and a letter addressed to her. The poor peddler had left the money for the old crofter. She was happy to note that the peddler had changed and become honest. Next question is, why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Von Stahl? मतलब चूहेदानी बेचने वाले ने जो दस्तखत किया उसमें उसने अपना नाम कैप्टन वॉन स्टैल लिखा, ऐसा क्यों? तो इसका आंसर है The peddler was taken as an old friend of the Iron Master whose name was Von Stahl, but later his real identity was known. As he had been treated like a captain, he signed himself as Captain Von Stahl. अब understanding the text, तो इसमें question है, how does the peddler interpret the acts of kindness and hospitality shown by the crofter, the iron master and his daughter? मतलब चूहेदानी बेचने वाले ने क्रॉफ्टर मतलब मवेशी बेचने वाले या आयरन मास्टर या उसकी बेटी, इन तीनों का जो व्यवहार था या उनकी जो मेहमान नवाजी और दया थी उसको उसने किस रूप में समझा? तो इसका आंसर है The peddler interpreted the crofter's kindness and hospitality as the one of company as he was alone. The iron master's hospitality was because of his old friend. His daughter Edla's hospitality was an act of kindness and respect. अब next question है, what are the instances in the story that show that the character of the Iron Master is different from that of his daughter in many ways? तो इस कहानी में कौन कौन से उदाहरण हैं जो बताते हैं कि आयरन मास्टर का जो थे उनका चरित्र उनकी बेटी से बिल्कुल अलग था? तो the answer is the Iron Master mistook the peddler as his old friend. His thinking and behavior were based on the relationship and status of the person, but his daughter Edla was kind-hearted and respected all, no matter who they were. The Iron Master took the peddler as his old friend, Captain Von Stahl, so he treated him well, but his daughter was different. Like a good human being, she treated the peddler kindly and respectfully and requested him to stay back and celebrate Christmas with them. So, अब next question है, the story has many instances of unexpected reactions from the characters to others' behavior. Pick out instances of these surprises. तो दोस्तों ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है क्योंकि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे जाते हैं। और उसके बाद के क्वेश्चन को हम लेकर आगे चलते हैं और वह है व्हाट मेड द पेडलर फाइनली चेंज हिज वेज, मतलब किस बात ने चूहेदानी बेचने वाले को अपना तरीका बदलने पर मजबूर कर दिया। तो इसका आंसर है द पेडलर वॉज डीपली टच्ड बाय द आयरन मास्टर्स डॉटर एडलाज काइंड एंड रिस्पेक्टफुल बिहेवियर विथ हिम। When her father wanted him to leave, she requested him to stay and celebrate Christmas with them. Her act of kindness and respect made him finally change his ways as he left the crofter's money and a small rat trap as a gift to Edla. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो आपके काम का है वह है, हाउ डज द मेटाफर ऑफ द रैट ट्रैप सर्व टू हाईलाइट द ह्यूमन प्रेडिकेमेंट। मतलब जो चूहेदानी की बात जो कही गई है कहानी में, और यह दुनिया एक चूहेदानी की तरह है, तो इसको मेटाफर कहते हैं। तो मानव की जो स्थिति होती है, जो मानव मुश्किलों में पड़ता है, तो ये कैसे उन मुश्किलों को बताती है यह रैट ट्रैप, यह चूहेदानी। तो इसका आंसर है, द मेटाफर ऑफ द रैट ट्रैप सर्व्स टू हाईलाइट द ग्रीडी नेचर ऑफ द पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड। द पेडलर feels that the world is also a rat trap and people are always greedily running around like rats for something. Because of this, they find themselves in difficult situations and suffer. One should not run after things but be a kind and good human being like Edla in this story. So दोस्तों, यहाँ पे यह क्वेश्चन का आंसर समाप्त हुआ, और इसके बाद के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपके लिए ज़रूरी नहीं हैं, इसलिए मैंने उन क्वेश्चंस को छोड़ दिया है। और आपने इस वीडियो को सुना, उसके लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच। और यदि आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया है, अच्छी बात है। यदि आपने नहीं किया है और यदि आप करते हैं, तो मैं आपके लिए समय समय पर अच्छे वीडियोस बनाकर आपके लिए लाता रहूँगा। थैंक यू।